Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change phone number on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change phone number on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left, and over here you can find the settings option available for us just below the save messages. Tap on settings and you will land on this interface where you can see your phone number available over here. Now in order to change your phone number on Telegram, tap on that phone number of yours and you will land on this interface where you can see a blue button where it says change number. Tap on that change number at the bottom, and over here when this pop-up box appears, tap on change again, and over here enter your phone number whichever may it be. And after entering your phone number, guys, tap on the blue arrow icon over here, and on the next step a verification code will be sent to you on your phone number by Telegram. Receive that code, and on the next step you will be required to enter that code on your mobile over here. And with that being done, guys, your phone number on Telegram will be changed. And there, guys, this is how to change number on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.